Okay, I thought today would be a good day to get out of the house. I am sick of being in the house. I've been here all week. I am freaked out about this whole coronavirus. There's not really much around us. We're in Virginia, but I decided I want to get away from people today. So I was thinking, let's take the kids hiking on the Appalachian Trail. It's a good way to get out of the house and hopefully not be around a lot of people today. Here we go. We're here!
I know, let's go!
You ready?
Yes. I'm saying yes.
Got it. Okay guys, we're going. We're gonna go this way.
Yeah, let's go.
We are on our way up to the, what are we on? The Appalachian Trail?
Yeah.
I don't tell them where we're going. We just went up into the woods and we're gonna see where we end up. What do you think, Maddie?
That sounds kind of weird.
It sounds kind of weird. What if we find a campsite somewhere? Do you want to go camping for the night? What are you doing?
I'm looking out.
What's in there? Did you find any bears?
No.
In the bear den?
No.
What's in there?
People. No, there's people up there. Today we are going to go hiking and we are going to explore. And we explored a lot. Yeah, we did. Well, we were exploring around the rocks and we were jumping around on the giant rocks. And there were caves. Mini caves. It was really fun. Yeah, mini caves. And we ate some sandwiches and then we ate some Doritos.
Yeah, did you see any bears?
No.
Did you climb in the bear's den?
Kind of. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do the chicken.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram.